Welcome to Mrs. Thompson's 5th grade virtual open house. We're just going to go through a couple of things of when you enter the school, some things you're going to do, give a quick look at our classroom, and then go over a couple of things that we would have had if we would have had actual open house. So each morning students will enter through the west door of the middle school wing. So you're going to come in this door, and this door will be open at 7:35. Then you will stop here and an adult will help you with a temperature check, and then you'll also get hand sanitizer on your way in, as well as having your mask on and practice social distancing rules. Then you'll come down the hallway and there's Mrs. Rouse's room over here, there's Mr. Kimke's room over here, and then we're just a little bit further down with Mrs. Warner's room right there, Mrs. Stigman's class there, and our class will be the first door on the left once you get past some of the lockers. So inside our classroom, here's a quick kind of visual of how our classroom is set up. Some tables with social distancing between them, students sitting at the end, and that's what our classroom looks like. And then just a couple of things that we'll be going home for parents to look at and kind of read over. So first of all, here is our student handbook. Make sure you guys read over that really well. There are a lot of details in there that will give you a lot of good information for the upcoming school year and how we're going to handle things not only in the classroom and also for remote learning. Also, I will be sending home this sheet with students on the first day. If parents could please fill that out and either send it back or take a picture of it and email it to me at amy.t@usd381.org. I'd appreciate that, just in case I need to get a hold of you and need to get some information or things like that, and the office would happen to be locked, then I could get a hold of you that way. Also being sent home with the children on the first day will be the schedule. If you have to do remote learning for the day, that will help you know what times that you need to be on and what subjects we're going to be doing and when. Also this school year, the administration has encouraged the students to bring an extra baggie with their name on it and then an extra mask in it to keep here at school, just in case something would happen to their other one. They have a backup one to use as well. Then something else we're using this year is water bottles. It was on your school supply list to have a clear water bottle, so those will come every day and they will also go home every day. So please make sure that you take them home and wash them and clean them so that they are sanitary to come back to school and be used again. Look forward to seeing you on the 13th for the first day of school. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.